Yummy. Hot. Okay, right now we just arrived here in Old Mountain Line. Yan. So dito, you're gonna drive the train around the whole the whole mountain, no? So it's a mountainside ride. Ito ano. Hi, Aji. Woo! It's cold. Grabe ang lamig dito, sobra. Woo! Grabe guys, ang ginaw, sobrang ginaw, no? Talagang ang lamig. Grabe. Ginaw. So, we're gonna go inside. And we just entered the Old Mountain Line. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, ayan railway siya. So dito, you gonna drive your own train, no? Ayan, sobrang ginaw lang guys. Talaga, tingnan nyo, meron na kami mga gloves. Ayan. No. It's really cold. Si Daddy hindi na nakasama dahil nanginginig na. Nandun siya sa car. Hi, Achi, beautiful. Ayan, si Achi. Ay. Ayan. Yan sila. Pictures. So right now, ayan. Ito yung sample ng train niya. Ayan. Yan. Yan. So dito rin namin nakita yung yung old school na mga bahay na sobrang luma na. Tapos they just preserve it. Dito sa area na to, no? Yan si Mommy. Hi, Me! All of a sudden, when we arrived the place, talagang hindi namin kakayanin. So what we did, nag-unload kami, nagdagdag kami ng mga sa aming susuotin. It's really cold, no? Okay guys, kailangan magmadali dahil sold out na yung ticket, no? Grabe. Kasi there's 6 ticket left na lang. Sold out na. Pa-sold out na raw eh. Ayan. So right now, we're already here. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. So dito na binili yung tickets. Ayan. Ito siya. Yummy. Hot. Guys, it's so cold. You need to drink hot. And ang astig lang kasi yung hot drink nila dito. This is a sugar cane with milk ang tawag nila dyan. Parang pwede ka mag-straw even the drink is hot. Yummy. So cold. So we're gonna wait till 5 p.m. No, so we're gonna wait for 2 hours kasi grabe, sold out yung ticket. So 6 left. And yun, sila mom and dad gonna stay. Gonna have hot choco muna. So the ride would be from 4 p.m. to 5:20. Yun yung whole trip. So we're gonna go under the cave. Iikot dito sa bundok. And siguro masarap yun kasi great experience rin na para ka nag-exercise.
Kasi project eh.
Ha?
Ano eh, parang bike.
Yeah. Ayan. Mamaya pakita namin sa inyo. Guys, we're on our way to our train. Ayan. I'm with Madam. Madam. Yee, sweet. Yee. Guys, grabe.
Wait, may bags.
May bags.
May bags.
Brewed coffee. Wala, kailangan talaga. Sobrang ginaw. You can see etong hangin na to, ang kasama nito yung lamig. 3 beses ng Baguio. Woo! Kaya, yan. Ayun na, inantay na kami ng train. Grabe, guys, naubos yung ticket. Naubos ang ticket. Ayan na. Masakay na sila.
就要从盛兴出发回到这边来了，所以我们差不多5分的时候呢，我们就可以准备回到车上了啊。那我们这边4个人一部车，1个人当驾驶，驾驶的部分很重要，不能。
Okay guys, so right now we're riding our train. Suway. Yan.
这边也是4位吧？
Yan. Yan. And then dito, sila Shob and sila Sai with new friends. Hi! Yan. Okay. Handsome, you ready? Yes. So this is our train. Train 120. Guys, they're saying that if you know how to ride a motorbike, it's easy, it's basic. Okay, so seatbelt. Yeah. Seatbelt. This is my driver for today. So ito yung ano sa paa. Yung parang ano niya? Bike. Achi, how are you, Achi?
Oh, this one.
Yan, Chi. Yeah, that's right. Yan.
Because naipit yung damit mo. Bag.
Yan. Tapos ka na, madam. Say hi! Yan. By the way, we are going to the highest railway in Taiwan. Later, shoot natin yan. We will go to gates, tsaka yung highest point netong railway na to. Grabe guys, parang nasa 4D. So cold, powerful. Driver namin, oh. Woo! Okay guys, we're entering the tunnel. Yung tingnan nyo to. Woo! Okay guys, so take a break. Yan. So lahat kami nag-stop. So ito yung para mga restaurants nila. Toilet break. Yan. So the hang around here. Grabe, sobrang ginaw. So ayun ginagawa nila. They're turning the train around. Ang galing, oh. Iniikot nila. So later, papabalik na ulit kami doon. 等下是要去那边啊，要过去那边啊。
回去啊，
回去那边。
5:05的早晚回去。
Okay. 5:05要回来啊。
5:05。
So we need to come back 5:05. Talagang ano, you need to be on time. Kasi pag hindi, lahat sila hindi makakaalis. So, picture taking. Diba? So they're sharing something there.
以前香港油是用在哪里呢？香港油以前是用在医疗药品上面，还 还有那个香奈儿香型的原物料。那我们的那个张老师就会拿。
Okay guys, we're on our way back. Siguro yun, itsura namin lahat. Enjoy, sobrang ginaw, pero ano yun, if there's one thing this ride gonna tell you is patience. Kailangan hindi ka mainis, chill ka lang, dahil yung speed niya constant, hindi siya mabilis, hindi siya mabagal, hanggang makarating ka sa destination. Ito yung tsura namin. Patience is a virtue. So guys, it's been a great experience with this train ride, learning the history and learning to be patient. Masaya lang. Always remember, be happy para walang